fighting to build trust. Trust. It's easy to lose and hard to earn. It takes years to build, seconds to break, and sometimes a lifetime to rebuild. But if there's one thing life teaches us, it's that trust is worth fighting for. Whether it's in your relationships, your career, your team, or even with yourself, trust is the foundation. And without a strong foundation, nothing truly stands. We live in a world where betrayal seems common, where promises are made casually, where apologies are whispered, but patterns don't change. And in that world, real trust becomes rare. But that's why it matters more than ever. You see, building trust isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. It's about showing up when it's hard. About choosing honesty when lying feels easier. It's about doing the right thing, even when no one's watching. Because trust isn't given, it's proven. And if you've ever broken it, you know how heavy the silence can feel, how distant people become, how hard it is to rebuild what once came so naturally. But here's the truth. If you care enough, you fight for it. You fight for their forgiveness. You fight to be better. You fight to prove not with words, but with changed behavior. Because anyone can say, "Trust me," but real trust is shown in the follow-through. And maybe you've been on the other side. Maybe you're the one who got hurt, the one who trusted too deeply and got burned, the one who's learning how to open up again, piece by piece. It's okay. You're allowed to be cautious. You're allowed to take your time. But don't let the pain of your past stop you from seeing the goodness that still exists. Because not everyone is the same. And yes, some people break trust, but others are willing to fight to build it, to earn it, to guard it, and that includes you. Because trust doesn't just live between people, it starts within you. Can you trust yourself? Can you trust yourself to show up for your goals, to honor your word, to keep the promises you make in private when no one's holding you accountable? Self-trust is the root. When you learn to trust yourself, you begin to trust the process. You begin to trust the journey. You stop running from every challenge, and you start rising to meet them. But understand this. Fighting to build trust is not always clean. It's messy. It takes time. It requires humility. You'll have to admit when you're wrong. You'll have to listen more than you speak. You'll have to choose growth over ego. But the reward? Connection, respect, peace. You gain the power of knowing that people can count on you, that your word means something, that your presence is a safe place. And when that kind of trust is built, it creates uncheckable bonds. So don't give up too soon. Don't say, "I've changed," and expect instant results. Prove it over and over again. Let your character speak louder than your mistakes.